Hey, in this video, I will show you how to block a sound on TikTok in 2021. Maybe you're just irritated by hearing the same tracks all over again. And in this video, I'll show you a guide on how to fix that for any iPhone and for any Android device in 2021. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot, gets us a few more views. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,100 subscribers, which is pretty cool. And also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. And so to actually block a sound on TikTok, all you got to do is while you're hearing the sound, long press on the actual video and you have save video, add to favorites, not interested. You want to click on not interested, and every time you see it, if you click on not interested, the TikTok algorithm will be alerted that you do not want to hear the same sound over and over again. And because they want user retention and a good user experience, they'll block it so they can retain you for longer periods of time on the platform. If this actually answered your question, give this video a like. We're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. So if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. See you in the next video.